Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ZTX token. Now the ZTX token just got a couple new central exchange listings. They were just announced on Twitter aka X. We're going to go over the information on the ZTX token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced that the ZTX token will be listed on Bybit in their spot trading zone October 16th at 8 a.m. UTC time. So all you would have to do is download Bybit, B-Y-B-I-T, from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. October 16th, go in the trade section, search ZTX, and then simply just buy the token. So that's one way to get the token. And it was also just announced that this token is in the startup section here on Gate. So same thing, you just download Gate or go to gate.io on your PC. And if you check out Gate's Twitter, or you just check out the ZTX Twitter here, I'm going to put the ZTX Twitter right on the screen here. At ZTX Official, it has all these announcements, all the listing dates, all that type of stuff here, and it talks about they're doing an airdrop contest too on Gate right now, and prior to the initial listing, so you can get involved with that before it gets listed in the Launchpad section here. So check all that out on their Twitter. Bybit, Gate, those are two different ways to get this token here. Their Twitter has 58,400 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well. And as you can see, they have a link to their webpage, ztx.io, and then it says /play, because this is a GameFi project, a metaverse project. And they also have a full link tree you can go on there, and their link tree has all sorts of documents and papers and information. So ZTX is short for Zepeto X. Introduces a fresh take on what it means to build a decentralized metaverse. Designed into a worldwide game system that motivates, unites, and rewards users, ZTX leverages Web3 technology and the achievements of Zepeto, the largest metaverse platform in Asia, to empower users to go beyond what is possible in any existing metaverse. Starting on day one, ZTX users will embark on a journey. First, they will receive a free plot of land. This plot of land serves as a medium of self-expression in addition to their very own economic engine. Users can further develop and improve their land through asset crafting and building via resources and materials. This extension of Zepeto's avatar and cosmetic experiences, which has never seen over 2.5 billion transactions, is just one aspect of what is in store. ZTX is more than your home in the metaverse. ZTX will unite rich social features, powerful DeFi tools and experiences, a multi-layered economy, multiple different themed districts, a world of district-level governance, and together we will introduce an innovative opportunity for players, creators, and communities to interact and monetize. So, decentralized metaverses and Web3 initiatives are all the rage. In 2021, NFTs went mainstream with sales reaching close to $20 billion, while numerous play-to-earn and virtual worlds achieved record high $1+ billion market caps with thousands of users interacting and trading daily. The new digital frontier is laying the foundation of digital ownership, communities, and the economy of the decentralized internet while onboarding the next generation of crypto users. However, most metaverses and play-to-earn games have fallen short and arguably have failed users. Virtual worlds lack substance and features. Web3 games have lost sight of what's fun, creating just another way to work online. Both struggle to find competitive advantages over their Web2 counterparts, and even the most established projects struggle to capture a meaningful user base outside speculation. So enter ZTX. So, ZTX will build upon the foundation of success of Zepeto, the largest metaverse platform in Asia with over 400 million plus registered users. With a focus on interoperability and scalability, ZTX will leverage blockchain tech to empower players, creators, and communities. Zepeto is a thriving avatar-centric social metaverse focusing on creators, cosmetic items, and various worlds to socialize in. With over 20 million monthly active users, Zepeto has had 2.5 billion plus virtual items transacted on its platform. With a heavy emphasis on supporting creators, Zepeto has over 2 million creators selling 3D fashion items and over 200 brands using marketing budgets to support such creators. The top-ranking creators generate 6 figures in revenue annually. ZTX will embody the same aspects of social and creator development. However, ZTX differentiates itself by extending the avatar experience beyond what currently exists in Zepeto. ZTX allows users to leverage their creativity and monetize their time through actual on-chain ownership of assets. ZTX introduces the concept of land improvement, and new asset categories as the extension of the cosmetics that users have come to know and love. ZTX will also introduce aspects of decentralized finance, a robust multi-tiered ecosystem, and districts that their residents govern. Ultimately, ZTX empowers not only creators but players and communities to monetize through gameplay. ZTX focuses on delivering players an unrivaled, fun, and rewarding experience. For creators, ZTX is a new expressive medium in which they can grow their fan bases and monetize through asset and experience creation. For everyone, it is a playground for creativity and a platform for the community, letting users of all backgrounds chart their journeys in a world beyond the physical. So with ZTX, you can purchase materials and resources from other players, purchase blueprints and designs, purchase unique classes of gold, purchase tickets, and participate in raffles. So there's all sorts of things you could do with the token. They talk about the assets are platform generated or user generated. There's land assets, utility, cosmetic, structures, decor, furniture, environmental, play, accessories, wearables, home structures, goes on and on and on. Now they have the games, the fashion, governance as well. So you can learn all about this at ztx.io. Tons of info over there. And there's a newsletter. There's an OpenSea where you could buy the ZTX Genesis Homes, Medium articles. There's so many different things on here. Now let's scroll down to the ZTX token here. Now it's split up. 1% goes to liquidity. Another 4% for liquidity, 4% Genesis airdrop, 5.5% advisors, 9.5% Zepeto, 16% core team, 35% rewards, 15% foundation, and 10% community fund. Now, this token here, there's a fixed total supply, it says, of 10 trillion tokens. There's going to be buyback and burns, incentive pools, and a treasury. And yeah, it says here the land is going to be minted in ERC 721 and ERC 1155. And yeah, that seems to be all the information basically about the token here. So you can check all this out at docs.ztx.io as well. More info over there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Zepeto and the ZTX token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.